I saw a lot of people asking how to get first PLS for the gas fee. I'll show you 3 ways to get PLS for a gas fee. First one is this site. I will put the link in the description. Here you can request to get 2500 PLS for gas. But honestly, I was trying to claim this more than 30 times and every time I got an error. And the second problem with this is that at the time when I was doing the swap, it was required around 4000 PLS tokens for the gas fee. So I went here on their Telegram group, and that would be the second way you can get your PLS for gas fee. This actually worked for me. I asked in the group if someone would be kind enough to send me PLS for gas, and that I will return him PLS tokens as soon as I buy more PLS, and there were a few people that were willing to help. Since the addresses can't be sent in the group, I had to send it to the DM of the guy who was willing to send me PLS. Of course, be careful when interacting with strange people. In directed messages, don't click on any links. Third way to avoid interacting in DM with strangers, I also created a Telegram group now, so if someone needs PLS tokens for gas, he can request there 4000 PLS for the gas fee. And let's make the rule to give back 10,000 PLS after purchasing more PLS tokens, and be fair about that. So 6000 PLS would be a reward for the effort of the folks who are willing to help. If you find this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel for more similar content. Thank you.